أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now lesson number 4, let's read the rules first. Read this lesson ravan, without spelling. So ravan means flowingly, without spelling. Like in the previous lesson, we were spelling them out, weren't we? Hamza, Zabar, A, Hamza, Zair. In this lesson, basically lesson number 4 is a revision of lesson number 3. So try to memorize this word as well. It's called ravan, ravan. And take special care in pronouncing the harakat correctly. Differentiate clearly between the letters that are qaribu sawt, the letters that sound somewhat similar. Now, the qaribu sawt letters are 16, and they are ta, to, z, dhal, zo, th, sin, صاد دال ضاد كاف قاف ها حا hamza عين. These are what we call the qaribu sawt letters. If you can remember them 16, inshallah, when then you are reading the Quran, it'll be much easier for you to differentiate which letters you are reading. So inshallah, let's continue towards our next, inshallah, part of the lesson that we're going to read is lesson number 4. And remember, we're going to read this lesson without spelling, and inshallah, I want you to repeat after me. If I'm a bit too fast, then please do send me a message, but I'm trying to read it slowly so that you can repeat after me. Remember the haruf musta'liya. Remember that we read them always in a deep sound. Okay, so inshallah, let's go to our lesson number 4. So we'll start off from the first line. Ta, ti, tu, to. Now this is a musta'liya letter, full mouth. To, tri, tu. The next qaribu sawt letters now. The next 6 letters, 9 letters will be the qaribu sawt. So we need to make sure we differentiate between them. Za, zi, zu, va, vi, zu, zo, zi, zu. Now, if you look at the first set of 3 letters that we read, za, now you can feel a bit of hardness, heaviness, za. But when you come to the dhal, it's quite soft letter, the. Let me just repeat the first za, za, the. Can you feel the difference? Now I'll read it again. Za, the. I'll read the zir now. Z, the. Zu, ru. So can you see how the dhal was a bit soft and the za was a bit hard? And the za is a musta'liya letter, so we read it with a full mouth. You can feel it that it's a different letter. Za, ri, ru. Now we're going to read the next 9 letters, which are qaribu sawt. They sound similar as well. Tha. If you can repeat after me. Tha, thi, thu, sa, si, su, swa, sui, su, Next two letters, inshallah azawajal. The next six letters, the dal and the dad, we're going to try to read them now. Da, di, du, ba. So it's a mustaliya letter, full mouth. Remember how to read the dad from the side of the tongues touching the upper part of the mouth. That's just a basic, just to make sure that you're reading it properly. Ba, di, bu. Now, also another thing to remember is that dad and dal, the difference between them was that dad is a mustaliya letter and dal is not a mustaliya letter. How should you read the dal? Normal, from the top of the tongue touching the upper top teeth there. Dal, dal. And when we read the dad, the side of the tongue touching the upper mouth. Dad, ha. So repeat after me. Ha, he, hu, ha. Remember, both of these letters are halkiya letters. And ha is from the middle of the throat, and the first three that we've read, the ha, is from the top of the throat. Ha, he, hu. The next six letters are qaribu sawt as well. A, e, u, a, ri, u. Next, mashallah, letters qaribu sawt. These are haruf mustaliya, so full mouth. Kha, khi, khu, gha, ghi, ghu. Next line. Ba, bi, bu, ma, mi, mu. Next line. Wa. Now remember, when we read the letter wow, we don't read it as va. It's not va. We need to round the lips. Wa, 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 we, woo, fa, fi, fu, la, li, lu, na, ni, nu, ra, ri, ru. Remember, when ra has a zabar, we read it with a full mouth. When he has a pesh, we read it with a full mouth. Ra, ri, ru, ja, ji, ju, sha, she, shu, ya, ye, you. MashaAllah Azawajal.